His 3-month-old baby Aiden, and his mom Sierra and his cousin Jonathan. And this is when a tornado swept through Dunn, North Carolina. As it was shredding through their mobile home, Jonathan tried to cover and protect little baby Aiden, but his arms were no match for the tornado. He was ripped from his hands into the air. Once the storm was over, you won't believe what happened next. Several minutes later, as they were in a panic searching for him, they ended up hearing a faint cry and they found him completely unscratched in the mighty name of Jesus. So if you could, write God is good in the comments, and if you believe in miracles, share this story.